Hi guys, you're on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to make a short private on YouTube. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Open YouTube, then tap on profile icon, tap on view channel, shorts, tap on three dots, select edit, visibility, tap here, then tap on private. Good. Save. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Wish you best. Bye bye.